My dear students, today I am going to discuss about resonance in series LCR circuit of class 12 chapter 7 physics. Resonance in series LCR circuit. What is resonance circuit? What is resonance circuit? Resonance circuit means a circuit in which maximum in LCR series circuit, when maximum current will flow at a particular frequency, then this circuit is called the resonance circuit. A circuit containing inductor, capacitor and resistor in series, and through this circuit maximum amount of current will flow at a particular frequency, then the circuit is called the resonance circuit. एक सर्किट में इंडक्टर रहेगा, इंडक्टर, कैपेसिटर एंड रेजिस्टर रहेगा सीरीज में. इस सर्किट में मैक्सिमम करंट फ्लो होना चाहिए. इसके लिए एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी में एक कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करता है. देन द सर्किट इज कॉल्ड द रेजोनेंट सर्किट. तो एलसीआर सर्किट का इम्पीडेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Z इक्वल टू रूट ओवर ऑफ R स्क्वायर प्लस ओमेगा L माइनस 1 बाई ओमेगा C स्क्वायर. एंड करंट का फॉर्मूला क्या है? I इक्वल टू E by Z means E by in LCR circuit, expression for impedance is this and current is this. Now for resonance, these currents will be maximum. How it can be maximum? If Z is minimum. If Z is minimum, then I will be maximum. Now question is how Z will be minimum. Suppose W, this is very small. If W is very small, then what will be this? XL equal to omega L. If W is small, omega is small, angular frequency omega. If omega is very small, then omega L is also very small. But what is XC? 1 by omega C. Since omega is very small, so XC will be very large. Very large. Now you see, if we increase omega, then it will increase and it will decrease. And at a certain time, at a particular frequency, say this is omega naught. When omega equal to omega naught, say these two are equal. XL equal to XC. XL equal to XC. When angular frequency is very small, then XL is very small, but XC is 1 by omega C, it will be very large. Now you see, if omega increase gradually, then it will increase, this will decrease. a certain time reach, these two will be equal, and this will be equal at a particular frequency. Say this frequency is omega naught. At a particular frequency omega naught, XL and XC are equal. Clear? That means कि these two are equal. These two equal means XL equal to XC. What does it mean? Then what we will get? XL means omega L, but this is at frequency omega naught, and equal to XC means 1 by omega C. This frequency is this. So what is omega naught square equal to 1 by LC? So omega naught equal to 1 by, but what is omega? Omega is 2 pi nu. So 2 pi nu naught equal to 1 by root LC. So nu naught equal to 1 by 2 pi root LC. This is the resonant frequency. This is the resonant frequency. At this frequency, Z will be minimum and I will be maximum. At this frequency, Z will be minimum, because at that time these two will be equal. Z will be minimum and I will be maximum. So what will be the Z at resonance? So what will be Z at resonance? Z equal to, these two are equal, so root over of r square plus 0. These two equal means 0, so equal to r. So at resonance in LCR series circuit, impedance is equal to resistance. Impedance is equal to resistance. Very important point. At resonance in LCR series circuit, impedance is equal to resistance. That means LCR series circuit at resonance act as purely resistive circuit. This means at resonance, LCR series circuit act as purely resistive circuit. So what will be I? I is maximum, so I naught equal to E by Z. So E by Z means R. So E by R. This is the maximum value of current at resonance. And at resonance, this is the impedance. Okay? Now you see how this can be represented by graphically. That means what will be the graph between current and resistance? Current and frequency. Current rubbing this. In this direction, say frequency. In this direction, maximum current. For a particular resistance, omega equal to omega naught. Say this is R1. The graph is this. This is the, in this case, I naught is here. This is I naught. Suppose resistance is decreased. If resistance decrease, what we have got? I naught equal to E by R. So I naught is inversely proportional to R. If resistance decrease, I naught will be increased. So graph will be this R2. Here R2 greater R1 greater than R2. So this is the graph between I0 and omega, and these two graph is shown for different resistance. When resistance more, maximum current is less. When resistance less, maximum current is more. You see, this for this graph I0 is here, for this graph I0 is here. So if resistance decrease, maximum current will also increase. Sharpness will increase. Now quality factor or Q factor. Quality factor or Q factor. What is quality factor? Quality factor is the ratio of voltage across inductor or capacitor to the applied voltage. Quality factor is the ratio of voltage across L by applied voltage. Applied voltage. Now what is the voltage across? Suppose L. V equal to IR. So I X L. Applied voltage is I R. So this is at resonance. So this is I naught. Quality factor is the case of resonance. So what is XL? Omega naught L by R. Now what is omega naught? 1 by root LC into L by R. So if you cancel this, what will you get? 1 by R or root L by C. Cancel root L and L. There will be root L. This root L cancel, root C. So root L by. If you take C, then also same expression will come. If this is XC, then same expression will come. This is the quality factor. Quality factor defines sharpness. That means the peak which is coming in the graph. This is more sharp than this graph. This is sharp more than this. And quality factor used in case of TV and radio for tuning, TV tuning, radio tuning, quality factor is used. If tuning is properly done, then the sharpness will be more and more. And this quality factor ranges from 10 to 100. quality factor ranges from 10 to 100. It has no unit because voltage cancel. 10 to 100. It range of quality factor. So if quality factor more, then this will be more sharp. That means tuning will be very sharp. Clear? So you read properly, and one thing you will remember, which you study, you will study in such a way that you can discuss this topic to other. You can discuss this topic to other. Then you can, if you clearly discuss, then you understand that your understanding is properly done. Your understanding is good, and so you can discuss this topic to your other friends. Okay, bye.